Hey guys, I want to see them uploaded that video about that brand new Sesame Street video, and your comments come to life all about underwater. Well, the video will be started soon, and check out the poems you made. It says, "Oh, orange, perfect morning roundness, color from the sun, pibbly sort of cover over pure white silky skin. Divided equal section seeds, liquid pulp too. Oh, orange of topic, tropic pleasure. I squeeze sweet juice from you." Huh. That's amazing, huh? Okay. Well, that's the end of the breakfast, huh? And now, cereal time.